I'm trying to fly though, wanna touch the sky but still lie low. Never water down even with the hydro. Vaporize the hate so I don't have to keep my eyes low. Hit Oslo, get it in Norway. Cleanse palates with the callous man sorbet. Doorways open up, yup, more cake. Soon enough the sweet turns sour, more court dates. We burn it down though and just live it up. It sucks ass when they ask about a living trust. I don't have one cause I don't have shit, and when I do I'm probably gonna just stash it. It takes time for the interest to make sense. It makes sense for the linguist to invest. I've been blessed with a brain and some rhythm. Those hairs too square, I'm the tortoise and I'll win it. Come on. But we carry hope, no politics, but y'all should probably vote. Don't involve me, I live for the stereo. Right side, left side, middle path, adios. No label when you living independent. Rent is too damn high for my pension. Like the lottery, the way it just rubs off. Opposite of Jimmy McMillan, I take the gloves off. It takes some cheap shots, fighting for the beatbox. I'm throwing down harder than the dude who beat Brock. I'm more able though, but still murderous. On the beat at least I'm bleeding the encouragement. Living like a rebel, all intents and purposes. Practically a rapper who's broke but still virtuous. At least I hope so, y'all can be the judge of that. I know you're on a special team, so just run it back. Friday number 40, E-double, Black Paisley, Activate Social. Find me on Facebook, facebook.com/EWHipHop, twitter.com/EWHipHop. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Halloween, if that's what you're into. Good luck to anybody who's going to the rally to restore sanity.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
Hey guys, what's up? We're back again for another episode of Fallout 4 Plays Itself. We're modding the game to play itself. Yeah, let's get out of here. Where's my thing? Oh, there it is. Woo! The creation kit is currently still loading, I think. Yep. So we'll just take a little time, let it fly. Yesterday we began on Dijkstra's algorithm for the first character. What we basically want him to do is to go to every single location in the game. Hey, Sin! Thank you so much. I got it from this company. I can't remember. Oh, it's Sin Studios. That's the one. Yeah. I got a load of them. I've got one in the back here. I've got another one here. And I got one underneath here as well. I'm warm today. Oh, it's normally so cold. And whenever the creation kit is ready, we can continue. Yep. Anytime now. Anytime. Oh! It's either crashed or it's working now. Are you gonna... Alright, so let's get straight back into that coding. Let's go to all. Alright, so we were doing Power Armor Character 1. Oh gosh. It was getting complicated when we finished off last time. So let's just get straight back into it. Huh? What was I doing again? Of course, I've got the checklist. Adds each value to an array. Okay. Then we wanna get distance. So let's see. Get distance, object reference. Blah 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 blah. Object reference, aka other. Oh! Thank you for the host, Zazel. What's up, dude? How you doing today? Let's enjoy your dancing robots, bro. Just let the music play out first. Okay, and we're back. So I want to get the distance from the player to B, which is the current location that they're working on in the script. And then I want to get distance to add. Is that going to work? Come on! Compile, you bastard! No! Oh, it's going to be an int. Let's change that then. Int is not a known user-defined script tab. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to bonk, save that space. I'm going to go back. Because I was going to add the distances to a whole array and then go through the array, but actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to compare the distance as it's doing it. So I need to redefine the property get distance. So what I want to do, for each location the player is deciding to go to, he will measure the distance between himself and the location. He'll build the array of every value of all the locations in the game. Then he's going to compare them all and find the lowest number, and then he'll start to move towards that. So we'll add that. Let's get that property field as well, make sure that's correct. So let's go back here. Pulling my hair out yesterday and last Friday was sorry to hear that, man. Anyone catching you? No, I had to cancel the stream, dude. I had some issues with StarCraft 2, unfortunately. So yeah, nothing happened. You're safe for now, bro. But who knows? Who knows what happens? Let's see now. You gonna let me do it? Int is not a known user-defined script type. It was the updater, man. It just wouldn't work. Can't do anything about it. I did fix it in the end. It was something to do with the net stat, like port forwarding. Took me over 2 hours to fix it. So I don't actually have to do this technically. Let's get rid of that for now, and let's go through the logic again. So on initializing, which is basically when the game loads, get current location, add it to the form, bean to locations, fine. I equals 0 while I is less than the size of the array, or sorry, the form. B equals all those, no, the first location, which will be number 0 to start with. If that location is in this array, which is sorry, form list, which is a bean2 location, we don't want him to revisit, then we'll just I plus 1 and we'll start it all over again, and I equals 1, and then we find the second entry in the form list, do it all over again. If it's not true, then add it to location checker and get the distance. I think we can get away with that. Port forwarding can be a pain. That's part of why I wanted to use Cisco rack mount router. That's pretty hardcore, man. I don't know if I would be able to do that myself. Okay, so we want to figure out what's wrong with this array at the moment. Yeah, that's true. That's very true, dude. God damn. Alright, how to add to an array. Let's go back here. Element type, aka element int AI count 1, yeah, blah 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 blah. So maybe what I should do, J equals get distance to B. What do I call it? Maybe I should change the name, it might be getting confused. Get distance dot add J. Right. Type mismatch on parameter 1. Cannot pass a form to an object reference. Ah, what? This is line 23, I think. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 22, 23. Oh, Graphics G, thank you for the auto host, man. I'm on so many auto host lists. I forgot to thank Blackbird KMD, Other Jesus, of course, New Face Games. My gosh, all the people right now, all the people. Maybe do self.getDistance. Trying to pass a form. Because I got a B. I can't make that a location though. Type mismatch from parameter. Okay, as no. Well, I like them, man. Ugh. Yeah, because that needs to stay as int. When do I define B? Oh. Ugh. We've got a little issue to get around here. One. Cannot pass a form to an object reference. Let's take another look at this. Calling this function on an actor to check the distance of an object reference will result in distance larger than expected. Okay, whereas calling said object reference on an actor. So I should be doing d dot get distance self. You sure? I'm pretty sure that's a function. Sure. Got it right. Okay, what I'll do then, semicolon, and we'll add himself as an actor. This guy. Oops. Let's load up. Not Diamond City, Commonwealth. I want to go to Vault 111. I understand the purpose, but right now. I'm not back. Well, you know, man. Sometimes I idle people for like hours at a time. And they go into auto host mode and it gives them another viewer, so because I always got my laptop to the side and it just comes up like Sin Studios when she streams. Once that's finished and I go off to do my other stream, it's just there, and so it counts as 2 viewers to anyone. It does return an int. It might be a float actually. I should probably double check that, but anyway, the problem is this guy. I don't like him, so let's add him as a property. But yeah, you're right, I should make JF float either way. (24) cannot pass a float to an int. But I think the get distance returns. Object should be in the same interior or same world space. Yes, okay, no problem. It's the same world space. But it doesn't mention the output as an int. It doesn't even mention it. This is Papyrus, Azazel. It's a cheap version of Visual Basic. This is basically a glorified spreadsheet editor, the creation kit. So, I mean, at this point, anything could be wrong. Good syntax. Let's see, anyway. We'll bring that back into play. The distance is definitely this guy. No, let's switch it back around. Get this guy. get distance to B. I didn't even spell that right. Again, cannot pass a form to an object or reference. B is currently defined as a form rather than a location. But if I do this and actually change it to a location, it's going to go mental. Yep, so I think that's gonna 18, yeah. Ugh. It's always a problem when you've got to mess around with the properties a little bit. Let's go back to form here. It looks like when it was instantiated, it was marked as a float. No, there's no. Oh yeah, it is. Sorry, you're right. It says float. But it still doesn't help me. The actual problem I'm having is B is currently a form. Can't get the distance to a form. It's got to be an object. So, no, because I need that as an int. I mean, this would be as object reference. Form. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oops.
Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling, homeboy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the roof sleeve. This rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and close. I go make sure that you bring a jacket.
Hang on.
Putting my heart and my soul in this music.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Sin.
People all told me that I wouldn't make it. Now they don't want saying congrats, kid.
I need to think for a minute here.
Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit, put my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day in my life, I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my right from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no time for the bullshit, boy, I gotta work hard.
I don't know if I can. Location. Alright. So I need to get at see you later, man. Yes, I know that.
rise, let's get lifted. It's hard to get higher than a penthouse. I took her home, let her take a nap, but it's the morning time, so she bit out. Baby, wish her on the game like hit it out the park, so she probably came twice.
Theory has to be with ints.
That when someone's eyed, I give kudos. Lately, I've been depressed with the state of the game. So mistaking my name, I proceed with that's that nigga who's next.
So
That presidential got me feeling like Obama. All gold, she calling me daddy. Absent father, I would get her name. But why even
sorry, I want
bother?
this.
She knows who I am, so this is in her honor. Ask me what I regret, I exhale and tell you nada. She searched my name on Google, got my number, so she hollered. Daphne mine at the Knicks game, snipe rappers, then I switch shame for a quarter. It's a big game, I'm isolating, homie. Cause they know me, yeah. Venue all pack hands in the air.
because it's still a form here. Gosh dang it.
And we about to go off like sirens. I'm like a ball player who is in his prime.
This is why I've always hated Excel and its Visual Basic stuff. It's so much easier if I could just actually do Dijkstra's algorithm. But you gotta try and be clever about how you're doing it. Annoying. Maybe we're going about this all wrong. Maybe I need to take a step back, get rid of all of this. So let's start again. It may just be that. Oops. Let's get rid of insert. Don't need that. It may just be that I've lost my train of thought since not doing it since yesterday. So I'm going to start again. I'm going to keep it here though, just as reference, and just in case this doesn't work as well, and I end up going back. So let's open the event. It's not as good as Atom. A equals get current location. FPI Bing to location. Oi. Service when I roll through, come swinging like the fucking kind of sell too. Cause they know me, yeah. I'm used to working on Atom. This editor is basically. So I'm just gonna load up Atom and type it out in there. Oh yeah, my JavaScript learning. Oh, and my computer's crashing. Fantastic. There we go. Go. No. Just leave. Alright, so we're here. We then put I equals 0. Is that right? Yeah. While less than FPI locations dot get size. So get the location. I really want to make B a location. Let's try and figure this problem out while it's here. Oh, yeah. Premise or assigned to a location. Past missing or types. Unrelated. Game locations. They're all locations. There's over 300. 391. Holy smokes. Why? Why? Type mismatch means location is not valid. Let me double check get at. And oops, sorry, I didn't mean to smash the microphone. My bad. There we go. I need to cast it as a location. So let's go back over to Atom. And then what I try to do oh yeah, then if it is in the Bean2 location, then we want to ignore it. The find be true. Just add 1 to I and check through again. Else, if it's not true, then B equals FPI game locations. Get at. Oh, I want I value of it. Sometimes it just helps to change the environment you're working in. Just looking at the code in a fresh way. Like here, I've been looking at it and my mind's just kind of. It's become a wall of text because I'm looking at it too often. I've moved over here and suddenly it's gone like, that's right, that's what I'm trying to do. So copy that in. Let's fix these white spaces. While, because like I say, if Ash now comes in here and sees what I'm doing with this grammar, he will go mental. Okay. I need to at least close off the if statement. And let's see how pissed off it gets with me. Oh, because the end while as well. Type mismatch while assigned to a location. Types unrelated. 22. Maybe I need to try this because I put that. I don't know why it would be that. Hang on, what? There we go. I don't know why I've got that there. It should already be working like that. But anyway, whatever. We'll try taking that out afterwards once we get it working. Location checker, but form. So far, so good. J equals this guy. No, are we trying to do B dot get distance to the actor? See how that works. J is definitely a float. Don't. I'm not gonna swear. Cannot pass location to object reference. So Um. Okay then. Let's see if we can get it. Cheers, Cesian! It's a valid contribution to the stream. How you doing, man? Alright, so we need locations as an object reference. So let's get a location, 35 court. Okay, well, 35 court. Let's put that in. See what it spits out at me. Is there... What kind of form is this? Encounter zone. I don't think that's an object reference. Let's see how the location works. I'm really hoping that I don't have to go and put an object in every single location and mark it. Horse marker? Hey? Nah. 921. I could do it by cell. Why? I probably want to get that as an int anyway, so let's just do that. Can I cast the void to an int? Which means actually it's not getting a value from this. Okay, other has no default value. Hey Shin, you can watch me get pissed off at stuff. This guy does get distance. How frustrating. Spent like half an hour already just rewriting the same shit. Okay. AK other. Maybe I don't think I can get a location as an object reference. It doesn't exist as one. Yeah. As AK other. Unknown type AK other. I knew it! Need an event with I wish this was debugging, man. This isn't debugging. This is fucking trying to work out how a function works. I'll get to debugging soon. I mean, when I want to debug, it's going to be, let's see, for example, debug.trace. Location plus B. Has been added. Something like that. Oh, I think I'll space that. Because you don't work like a proper debugger, I guess. There we go. Yeah. Ugh. Let's take a look at locations again. Extends native. Do they have keywords? Because that might save me here. Hmm. So say 35 quartz. Type. I think I need a type. I think that's fine. I'll put that as FPI as well so I can find it later. Then we'll go to the location. Keyword. Ah, keywords. Oops. Maybe I get the keyword. Let's stick the training wheels on. Oops. I mean, it's kind of cheating because it's not always going to be 35 quart, but no, we don't want to add that there, but we just want to see FPI 35 quart. It's not going to work because there's no object. Okay, so scratch that. Let's get rid of the property as well. Oh, let's bring this guy back up here. I prefer my properties in alphabetical order. Nice if I could get it. Maybe I can cast from here. Oh, this. Here they come again. Keep that as B. Cannot pass the location to object reference. So the only solution I'm going to get from this is I need to quit out of here. I need to go around to every goddamn location and add an object. So let's think small objects. Oh, I need an object window. A small singular object that I can hook onto and put into every location. So let's go to 35. Alright, financial 21. Whatever. Is that not an interior? Apparently not. This might be why there was a problem. Let's check this. Dust dummies. Oh, they got all the dust particles. View door reference for this door. Exterior. Whenever you're ready. Creation kit, why you no load? Now this looks like more an exterior. Let it calm down a bit. Oh, I'm upside down. Where are we? What are you doing, CK? I'm just gonna go to Abernethy Farm because I know this is fine. I don't know why they had to create a CK this way. Counter zone, yes. Connie is a boss. Okay. So this one is simple object. Place it down. It is a location marker, I suppose it will become. I'm just going to double check that doesn't actually already exist. Location ref type. No. So I'm just going to put... Close that out. Oh, I just remembered how to pan. There's something. Wicked shipping exterior. Yeah, not Abernethy Farm anymore. Saw these warnings. Protectron construct. Okay. I've got it. I freaking got it. Alright. Apologies for all of this, people. I know today was not a progressive day. In fact, it's deprogress. I'm getting rid of that. Because it's wrong, basically. Let's see. Get the... Okay, do you know what? Make a new template. Just get rid of all these warnings, because if they keep coming up, I'm gonna lose my mind, basically. Blah blah blah. Okay. So oh. Okay, well at least it cleared it. CK is so weird. So let's make a new quest. ID location checker. Ooh. Check. Oh, I got FBI yet. All my IDs not unique. Oh, right, okay. Location checker quest. Let's put that down. Go away warnings. Alright, so quest stages. Add a new one. 1, 5, 10. Always do that as standard. Hey Imperial, what's up? Can you please tell me more about how much the human can learn? No, I can't really, man. I'm not really streaming a psychology lecture. Run start. Oh yeah. Start game enabled. Run once. Yeah. Quest aliases. New reference collection. Locations. Not. Oh, I need to. No, wait. Red dust. Oh, he is an actor. Oh, it's still loading. Where is Fred Durst hiding at now? I don't. He's here somewhere. Just hasn't loaded, I guess. Oh, I need a couple of minutes here for it to load up. Hey Dragon King, what's up, dude? Having a good day, broski? Here we go. This thing's though. God darn it. It's coming along. We're getting there eventually. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, Imperial. How have you been, buddy? Where the hell is this actor? Oh, there he is. Awesome. In his pura armor. So, specific reference. This guy. This could use location. Oh. Yes, alright. I understand now. I'm sorry. Sorry, CK. I'm not good enough for you. You piss stain. Let's go use location reference. Field type. If you'd like to change the field type and add location alias. No! What are you talking about? No! I would use a location alias reference, wouldn't I? Is it? Oh. Oh. CK sometimes is just such an infuriating thing. Oh. Right, so I got Fred Dursty. Very dusty. I guess he should be optional. No. Okay. Let's could do a location alias. Alias lane. Next location. Find matching location. Maybe I can I do an object reference though? Create reference to object. Just that. I want to try and get. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Arrgh. Let's go back out here. Reference collection, would that not count? Let's see. Reference alias. Great. Thanks, Wiki. Force saves to use a specified reference. Location alias.
It's not enough. I've given up. They're wielding
Got to get really creative with the CK sometimes. So let's get a new location alias. Scene 2. Now reuse. No, it wasn't, so okay. We need to get back to the. Let's get back to the design part of the mod. I really thought with the Dijkstra's algorithm it would be okay. Clearly, it's not, because there is an issue basically with the way I want to set it up. So it's either I take the approach of adding an object to every single of the 370 locations in the game that is unique to each location, which I'm not gonna do unless I use this. Yeah, let's see here. I can find every location in the game and force an object reference, then I can call that later on. So let's see, cancel the locations, that's good. Location, okay. Still a location. Help find matching location from events? I don't think so. I need to add the player, so I can put closest to player. Ah. Ready. Let's move them up. Closest to Freddy. And then we'll say is
that people lost and left behind.
is in list. Been to location. So basically what I'm doing here, I should probably explain it before I do all this. What I've done is I've created a reference to our character Fred Durst for the quest to see. And now what I'm doing is I want to fill it with a location alias that is closest to Fred Durst. But I'm also adding a new condition now. I'm saying if the location that you found is in the list been to location, then ignore it. Yes. Not. Yes. It's not in location. Yes. Okay. I think that will work. So let's go through it again. Find a location for the quest to reference. Find the matching location that's closest to Fred. If it is in list, if it's not in list, because we said does not equal 1, so if it's false, that's fine. So that should be fine. What we'll do now then, we'll go over to scripts and we'll make the script over here instead of in the actor character. FBI. Yes, exactly, Azazel. That's just how I do. I'll change the names a bit later. They're just placeholders for everything. Pretty much what I'm doing now is a placeholder. Cosmetic stuff doesn't matter to me. It's more dealing with mechanics, and then I'll go back through it all and start to fill it out. And you know, like when you're cooking a meal, you don't start with the salt and pepper. That goes on at the end to add the flavour. So I'm just trying to farm the pigs at the moment, I guess. If it ever works. Oh my god. AI, I didn't know that you were the admin in the Bethesda mods. Yeah, man. I am. I know the development process, yeah, man. Like I said in the first yesterday's stream when I started this, I'm not in any rush to complete this. And I understand if people don't want to keep coming back to watch this, because 1, it's a learning process, 2, it's a long process, and 3, until it's finished, it's probably not that interesting anyway. But I mean, for people who want to see even how modding goes through the stages that it goes through, I mean, I haven't done modding for about 8 months, so a lot of the stuff I used to know is gone and rusted. So you gotta be really patient. I mean, I gotta be honest, if you sit here for the full hour every day of my full development process, you are a #1 fan of me. You must be to tolerate this. You gotta be, haven't you? Like, oh, it's so frustrating though. Location finder. Oh my god, please type location finder. I didn't save my other script, so add property. So we want to add the form list. We also want the reference alias. What am I doing? Let's just go into editing. I can add the properties myself. I know what I'm doing. Alright, so form list property. Location. Oh, FBI. Reference alias. Yes, but the dev process is always slow. It's not always slow. When you become an expert in the field, it's very quick. It also obviously depends on the project size of what you're doing. I mean, this, for example, trying to get a game that plays itself with a party of 6 characters who have their own personalities, and I'm really hoping at some point, not only that, but I'll be able to mod in decision making for the AI. After the first few simulations of the game, I want to make it so, for example, each character will have their own algorithms going, and what I'll do is I'll start assigning positive and negative experiences that they log and assign values to, and whichever character has the most positive experiences, the other characters will then adopt their scripting, and they'll make that person the leader who goes out and makes all the decisions, and they follow them. So it's kind of like neural networking. We'll see how it works though. I can't even get a guy to go to a location at the moment, so let's leave that one for now. We've got Freddy, location alias, property, bean 2. I should also constant. Oh no, it's not a constant. That is though, that is always going to be Freddy, and that is always going to be that form list. Let's get to properties. Good. Okay, so we need to also add the actor. FPI. I said it. Red dust. If I stay for the whole stream, if you stay for the whole stream for the whole time that I'm creating all of my AI stuff, then yeah, man. You'd have to be to tolerate me. But I think Sin Studios is the winner of that one, man. I think she's only ever missed 2 of my streams since I've started streaming. So randomized rule bases is much easier to code. Scripting, the thing is, like, AI is interesting because there is this whole thing going on there of letting the AI teach itself, come up with its own thought processes, allowing it to basically build its own rule sets. That's actually not how, for example, human psychology works. We don't essentially do that. We learn most of our rules through communication. A lot of our rules that we have are given to us, whether it's through culture, religion. So I don't want to have my AI create its own thinking, like for example Google does. Google has bots they have an AI that's creating its own AI at the moment. That's how far they've come. But is that AI teaching the other AI how to think, or is it allowing the AI to learn its own thinking? We'll find out soon enough. So I'm gonna stop there today. Oh my god, my eyes are fuzzy. I've had enough today. I'm gonna go ahead and host Sin Studios. Imperial, heads up. You know who Sin Studios is, female. Careful, man. Yeah, have a really good day, guys. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for tolerating this. I appreciate you all. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm back in an hour and a half anyway. We're learning JavaScript all the way up to neural networking as well at the same time. So definitely stop by. I'm just starting out, so if you don't know JavaScript that well, it's a perfect learning resource. Just learn along with me, or don't. Whatever. I don't care. What am I, your mother? I'm not. It's biologically impossible. Anyway, have a great day.